G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation procedure for a Ford Falcon EA, EB, ED and also EF and EL. Although the EL and EF, they're just a different bracket that's 30 millimeters wider. The procedure to install, it's relatively easy. You just have to remove the two front seat bolts. But what you need to do is you need to grind a little flat onto the washer that sits on the seat bolt. That little flat then will line up with the bracket so that you can get in and out, no problem. It's not too hard, just needs a grinder to grind that flat on. That allows you to install a fire extinguisher into the cage or onto the bracket and all bolt it all in. It looks really good. It's great for motorsport, but just also general daily driving, just to keep your pride and joy nice and safe. So let's go do it. The tools you require to install the bracket is just a ratchet with a T50 Torx bit. T50, also two 8mm spanners. That will give you access to the front seat bolts here. You just pop that little plastic cover off, and this is the bolt that I was talking about. You remove this with the T50 Torx bit, and see that big gold washer? You need to grind a flat spot onto it. So let's go do that, remove those and grind that washer. So the reason why we need to grind that flat spot onto the washer is just because as it goes down, that washer will grind along the bracket and take the powder coating off. All right, so with a grinder, just go ahead and grind a little flat on the washer on both sides of on both bolts, as you can see, like I've just done there. So before you bolt the bracket in, just install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. I found the best way to do it is have the handles as far up this way as possible so that it gives you room for the adjuster bar handle. Have it close to the adjuster bar as you can so it's not too far this way, but you just find the best for your extinguisher. Alright, so once you've got your extinguisher cage bolted on, now it's time to reinstall the main bolts and have the flat of the washer on that so that it doesn't, so you'll see when you're doing it so it lines up. And always put the bolts in by hand first so you don't cross thread them. And then just drive them down. And just tighten them that last little bit by hand. Oh, good. Then finally slip the extinguisher into its cage. Button it up, put the pin in. That's if you have purchased our extinguisher. Just like that, nice and solid. And it does miss the adjuster handle. And looks great. And just finish it off by putting those little plastic caps back on. So as you can see, it's all fully installed now. It looks really great, nice and secure, using the factory seat bolts, nice and safe. And you still have the ability to move the seat, as you see here. So hopefully you like this fire extinguisher and you want to grab one for your car, protect your whole fleet of vehicles if you've got them, because we've got so many different brackets on our website. And if you buy 5 or more, you get a 20% automatic discount on the website. So please feel free and go and grab one today. Thank you.